Good morning, Bunny. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Good morning. Let's go for a walk.
I'm done with bullshit. At this point, I'm merely amused. 22, checking in, it's like a yearly review. I ain't making no commitments unless I'm seeing it through. And that shit ain't always easy to do.
Hi guys! So today is a busy day vlog. What you didn't get last time, you will get today. Let's hope so. First we're going to an art gallery because I need to kind of go and see. I want to buy my sister and brother-in-law a gift for their 50th, like they're both turning 50, and I wanted to give them some art. Also, I have this amazing Mars done by Sameer Kilavur when we did quarantine charity, and someone's at the door, which I need to get framed, which I'll show you that I don't open it here. And then we're gonna meet Bibs, go to Phoenix, shush, and yeah, that's what's happening. No matter how many times I walk here a day, forget in life, it's still as beautiful, and it's nice to see school kids going back to school today. So a lot of school kids, and yeah, good day so far. So slightly bigger than this.
Yeah,
would
slightly
be this.
bigger than this.
Both of us kind of like this of everything that you sent first. Like I didn't ask Weber when he was like, I like the blue. It is beautiful. I mean,
That local Bombay
vibe. Yeah. So this is the one. If we keep this, I just feel like this might. Will you hold this for me here so I can just see? Like it looks nice with this, right? Like just.
Yeah.
Not gonna tell you what I finally decided on because I still haven't decided. This is the Dhanraj Mahal, which is one of the most beautiful spaces in Kolkata. People actually live here, and you see the amount of plants, and it's just lovely. Like it doesn't feel like you're in Bombay. BF and GF.
I've met
Can you be
with
serious? Okay, so this is not a camera vlog anymore. Weber broke my camera by being mean to it.
What? No, your camera couldn't handle.
You couldn't handle your hotness.
All that I bring to the table, out of the frame.
Yeah. So we've come to Phoenix Mills, and now this is a shot on iPhone vlog.
We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows.
The Christmas tree that's still around.
Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't
Cool,
really
yeah.
know where the world is
Very
gonna
cool.
go, but now everybody
Way
knows
better.
that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny. Be in harmony. We were never meant to be apart. What you want to be going, you will see. You can have everything you want. It's your destiny. Be in harmony. We don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know.
The Saturday night binge is happening on a Thursday.
Don't forget the beer.
Artist driving by his art.
It's beautiful there. It really does.
It really does.
It's gonna go, but now everybody knows that you can't stop for too long. Got to keep going, don't really know where the world is gonna go, but now
Come on, Babu. What's happening? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Meow.
Are you sleeping, Babu? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Come on, let's go in. Come on. Come in. The one way Sunny wants you to sit, you won't sit. Snuggle? You come more snuggle? My good girl. Okay folks, so I have basically changed from one orange outfit to another orange outfit, and as you saw at the mall, orange is everywhere. So I've been thinking of maybe doing like an orange lookbook of like stuff that I find in orange right now. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that, because I am very excited about going to stores right now because everything is orange. And yeah, I mean, I'm here midweek this week for a day, so gonna do a bit of a binge. Bought a lot of chips, so we got these, we've got some nachni, we've got some dip, and we've got these for tonight's binge. Love is blind until he finishes his bath.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Good morning, Kitu. Yeah. Good morning, baby girl. Good morning. Good morning, baby girl. Good morning. This little munchkin has come in to eat her kibble, and ever since I started letting her sit on me, she just refuses to leave, and she's becoming a house cat slowly but steadily. So I think we're going to eventually have her and us in the house. But yeah, right now we've just gone to gym. I'm just having my tea and petting Sammy, and then I'm gonna head back because I've got to edit this vlog and do a lot today. You coming with me? You coming with me? No, you sit here. I'm going. Bye. Bye, Bubby. Good girl. So we are off going back home. Yeah, there's a lot happening in the world today. I guess I will talk about it when I'm home because the audio on the phone is terrible. I don't know if it's better with headphones. But yeah, I will talk about that once we get home. But yeah, on my way home, for those of you that don't know, Sammy is not really our cat. She's the cat that came to our compound in the lockdown, and Weber was helping her and feeding her because she was pregnant. Remember the 3 little kittens you used to see around? They all got adopted, thankfully. One is adopted in Bombay, and then Komal, from my happiness, she has 2 of them. So we got them adopted, but then obviously Sammy stuck around, and now she's pretty much Vib's cat almost, I guess, because she used to live in our compound only, and so feed her and stuff, but then people in the building started being like silly about feeding her and all of that, so we started feeding her in our house, and now she comes in, now she sits on us, and that's Sammy for you. Hashtag Papa Ki Pari is what I call her because she's obsessed with VT. But yeah, now we're going home, and I have a call that I need to do while I'm in the cab, so I will talk to you at home. Hi, my Banula. Banula is waiting for me. Hi, my munchkinny. Hi. Yeah, yo. Okay. I love you too. Wait. I love you too.
Very good. In the morning, you couldn't go away from me. Now what? Huh? Sitting on my chair, sitting on my bed. Now what happened? Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah.
You're a good boy. Back home, the vlog cam is behaving weirdly. I don't know what's going on with it, but every time I put a new battery that's charged, in a few minutes it says charge battery and goes off. So I don't know whether it's the batteries or the camera, but it's also like a bowl camera now. So maybe I need to upgrade my vlog cam as well. Okay. On a more serious note, Russia has started a war with Ukraine, and it's terrible to see. Like, I see my social media feed, it's just such a weird time to be like, you see a good post and then you see war, like it's just really disturbing. I don't know how to put it in words, but you know what I mean, like when something is going so terribly wrong in the world and then there's like fashion or like travel or someone else's like party, or I don't know, like it just feels so weird um to think that people there are suffering and they've lost their homes, their lives, their livelihood, and I don't know. It's just really weird. Like, I mean, yesterday I tried to stay off Instagram the whole day and just enjoy my day with Vibs, because I was like, I get like a day or two with him in the week and I just want to like zone out and chill. But I mean, we can only ignore things so much in life, I feel like. And then today again, like, yeah, so I don't know. I feel like we all need to do as much as we can to help Ukraine, because war is not the answer to anything right now. We are just coming out of this damn pandemic and just about getting out again, and the world is just starting to like inch forward. And yeah, this, and I know a lot of people are gonna be like, "What doesn't affect us?" So it's far away from us. That's not true. A war anywhere in the world affects each and every person, because I mean, if there's a trickle down effect that is gonna come to you, and also the fact that today it's them, tomorrow it could be us or anyone else, and we all need to rally together to kind of do whatever we can to help. So yeah, I mean, I don't know at this point what that is, but yeah, if you have any ideas in the comments, please feel free to leave links or fundraisers or anything, any way that people can help, or actually by sharing people's stories from there. That's what I've been trying to do with the accounts that I follow, and know that that is a true account. So yeah, that's it, I guess. That's it from me. I am going to close the vlog here and I'm going to edit the vlog now. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, applaud, do whatever you want to do. And yeah, I mean, I'm in the like a weird mood now, but you know what I mean, right? Like, stay safe, guys, and yeah.